Hello, Paul here from EMD Porsche Caringbah, Sydney. I've got this 908 that I was talking about yesterday. Just finished rebuilding the boots. There you go. All brand new boots on this drive shaft. I took it out, gave it a nice fresh paint as well, torqued up properly, all marked, and go from there. Alright, this is the actual drive shaft. So now I can take it back to the actual blue slip place to get the actual safety check pass. The only thing I've got now to do is tuning and the exhaust, getting the exhaust welded. Actually better to slip it off if you ask me. It sounds good, but yeah, getting very close to this 928. The final thing I'll be doing is the actual tuning of the CIS system. I'll do that very last. So I'm just waiting for the actual tank gauge to come so I can fit it, so you can see how much petrol you got. Otherwise you'll fill it up and you won't even know how much petrol you got in the car. The tank gauge glued the actual windscreen, rear vision mirror, and actually tuning. Alright, thanks for watching and please subscribe.